Hey friends, welcome back to Naraji's Nook, your cozy corner for all things DIY, decor, and Dollar Tree magic. Today, I'm taking you inside Dollar Tree with me to explore 15 must-have fall finds for 2025, from cozy ceramics to chic pumpkins and everything in between. And the best part, I'll be showing you how to turn several of these into gorgeous fall DIYs in upcoming videos. So stay tuned and let's jump in. But first, a quick heads up. The 2025 fall decor is next level and they are flying off the shelves really fast. First up, how adorable are these ceramic trees shaped like maple leaves and acorns? They come in these rich fall colors, classic floral tones. You see amber, burgundy, burnt orange, golden yellows, perfect as catch-all trees, snack dishes or centerpieces. But I've got something even better planned. You're gonna see a super cute DIY centerpiece idea using these in an upcoming video, so make sure you're subscribed. If you love fall as much as I do, my favorite season of the year, cozy vibes, rich colors, and a warm welcoming home, then you're in for a treat. I think the quality of these trees were reasonable for $1.50 each. Whether you're decorating your living room, entryway, or prepping for fall DIYs, these pieces are going to elevate your space, so stick around because I'll be sharing how I plan on turning some of these into beautiful DIY decor in my upcoming videos. These miniature woodland animal figurines totally stole my heart. They're so cute. Squirrels, raccoons, owls, all perfectly fall themed. Now for Dollar Tree fall finds number 2, let's talk pumpkins, specifically these woven tabletop pumpkins that look like something straight out of a boutique. Yes, they're $7 each, which is definitely above Dollar Tree's usual price point. But hear me out. The texture, craftsmanship, and style, totally worth it. I already have a cozy DIY idea using these to create a neutral toned fall vignette for your console or coffee table. For number 4, this wooden tray was such a surprise find. It is sturdy, minimal, and perfect for layered seasonal displays. Obviously over $3. Used to build a cozy fall centerpiece, hold candles, or even as a serving tray for fall gatherings. Thanksgiving to be specific. Because of course, it's one of those canvas pieces you use over and over again. Yes, Dollar Tree prices have gone up, but I would say so has the quality for most of the items that I do see now at the Dollar Tree. And it seems this is just in the US, but not in Canada yet. Number 5 would be an array of fall ribbons. Ribbons in all the fall hues. You name it. Rust, mustard, deep green, in multiple widths too. There were different sizes, as you can see, and I really love the designs this time around. Last year, not so much, but I would say this year, Dollar Tree really upped their game. And of course, their prices too. But well, I'm not complaining, to be honest. Like I mentioned, it seems this is actually ongoing in the States. And in Canada, not yet, because I haven't seen anything in any Dollar Tree in Canada that is over $3. But in the States, I've seen items over $7. So yes, I grabbed a bunch of these ribbons because they are perfect for wreath making, garlands, or even gift wrapping if you're prepping early for the holidays. So you see the thin ones? Seems that the running theme this time around is sage green or olive green and rust. So yeah, do not sleep on these guys. They're selling out pretty quickly. For number 6, these mini pumpkin picks are so versatile. Add them to centerpieces, floral arrangements, wreaths, or vases for an instant fall upgrade. I especially love that they come in more muted fall colors too. Think dusty orange, rust, and olive green. And they're all velvet as well. So I actually do plan on using some of these for a fall arrangement, as you would see. Ooh, this one is giving statement piece energy. These 3-level embossed pumpkins are heavy and beautifully detailed, guys, as you can see. Yep, that's the price. They come in a deep orange and dusty blue, which I'm loving for a more elevated fall color palette. $6 each? Yes, I know, more than $1.25, but honestly, a total steal for the look. Love it. Fall find number 8 are wooden beads. Now, this wood beads garland in fall colors, a DIYer's dream. A part of me wanted to grab all of these off the shelf. I use these all the time in projects. So from tier trays, styling to boho-inspired wreaths, and Dollar Tree has them in different styles and colors this year for fall. So yeah, grab them while you can, because I'm grabbing mine now. However, if I'm in note here, I did say wooden bits. Point of correction, these were actually plastic, but they do carry wooden bits as well. I'm obsessed with these ceramic pumpkins, guys. They're simple, glossy, and come in neutral, bright, and warm tones. I saw like the ivory colored ones, there were some orange ones of course, and of course the dusty blue. Dusty blue seemed to be a running theme this year actually. So there were some carved wooden pumpkins as well on the side. Pumpkins everywhere basically, but these ones with the lids stole my heart. Those are the wooden pumpkins I was talking about. Yep, very nice and simple, but again, these ones with the lids stole my heart. They look so high-end, guys. I grabbed a couple of this, and I already have a DIY idea using them. So stay tuned for that and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. It is one of those DIYs that I am actually pretty excited about to show you what you can do with this. Okay, and no, it's not candle making. This has been proven that you should not be doing candles with this because they can actually explode or break. Fall find number 10 is this orange pumpkin decorative pillow. This pumpkin shaped pillow is super cute and plush. Of course, it is priced a little over $3. Not quite my style personally, but it might be the perfect pop of fall for your entryway, bench, or accent chair. You know, definitely worth checking out if you love seasonal textiles. There were other pillows like this one, which said pumpkin latte. I think I love pumpkin spice latte, so I wouldn't mind this, but again, it is not my vibe, but they're cute. So of course, if this is your jam, go for it. Okay guys, number 11 is a whole section. Fall Decor Kitchen Corner Edition. When I tell you I love everything fall, that includes this. Fall tones and hues and the overall cozy vibes it brings. If you're dressing up your kitchen for fall, Dollar Tree has got you covered. From seasonal plates and mugs to fall design glasses, napkins, oven mitts, mason jars, as you can see, with the rust tones, and even glass jars with lids. Pumpkin design napkins that scream fall in all vibrations. It is just beautiful. They seriously stepped it up this year, guys. I just love this. I did grab myself a bunch of these napkins and mitts for my kitchen. These are perfect for hosting a cozy fall brunch or just making your everyday meals feel festive. Think Thanksgiving, guys. So all of these will make the perfect, combination for a beautiful fall tablescape. They also have these beautiful plastic cups shaped like pumpkins, which you could also use, and also in fall tones. There were bowls in plastic and also paper plates, different kinds of different kinds of mitts which you could use. These are the jars I did mention earlier with the lids. These ones were plastic and there were also glass jars as well. These you could store up spices or coffee, chocolate, you name it. That's up to you. I love that they had these beautiful fall design plates which you could actually use for Thanksgiving. It says thankful, guys. So this overall just made the perfect section for a perfect tablescape. And you could also do, fall baskets, gift baskets with this. Next up, their fall themed signs and outdoor decor. They had a variety of fall themed outdoor decor, which I really loved. These work great for porch styling, front door layering, or even inside or above your mantle. I spotted this beautiful vase. It's not for decor, but it's so beautiful. I just really wanted to get it. But anyway, I digress. I spotted some adorable welcome signs as well, pumpkin cutouts and harvest quotes that are very on trend this year, and which I really do love. I found the wreath hangers with the full customized touch very cute and catchy, as well as this welcome sign. So colorful, very fall themed, and I just really wanted to grab almost everything here, but I had to practice restraint. They also had these beautiful fall garlands with the leaves. They're beautiful, but not my vibe, just because the leaves feel really, really fake, and I really do not like that. So these are the wreath hangers I was talking about with the customized touch. I just love that. You see the leaves, the pumpkins, some acorns, different kinds, and I really like that. So a lot of signs with different, fall theme quotes and writings. For those of you that enjoy this, which is your jam, definitely go for it. I just do not have the space for that right now, even though they're very cute. Again, I am practicing restraint. And more beads. I love my beads, guys, and they do have this one very, very much customized for fall with the pumpkins in them and all whatnot, which are pretty cute as well, but I will not be using these in my next DIY video. There's just a lot to choose from, and right now I just feel like I am in fall heaven. So yeah, there are many other signs for both kitchen and outdoor, mostly outdoor and porch decoration. Okay, you can use this in catch-all tray, small, floral arrangements in buckets that you can use to decorate, entryways and countertops, for those of you that enjoy that kind of decor. Number 13 were these modern fall peaks. This find made me stop in my tracks, guys. Floral peaks in sage and olive green for fall. It's such a refreshing take on fall color palettes, to be honest. Less orange and burgundy, rust, and so on. More soft elegance. Just look at that. Perfect for fall wreaths or boho-inspired vases. And of course, you can't leave Dollar Tree without picking up fall faux florals. FFF. Fall faux florals. Yeah. Look how colorful this corner looks. They have tons of options this year, from sunflowers and mums to dahlias, you name it, all in beautiful, rich, and neutral fall tones. Well, the quality is obviously Dollar Tree standards, but with a little tweak and touches here and there, you can definitely elevate them to look a little more, high-end or something. So I did grab a bunch. I'm going to mix them to make some wreaths and arrangements or DIY bouquets, as you would see in my upcoming videos. So I will show you how you can actually use Dollar Tree flowers like this and make something out of them. I actually love the neutral tones at the top as well, and I actually really do like how they layered them. Alright friends, we've made it to fall find number 15, and honestly, this one's a practical girl's dream. Look at this, an adorable plastic storage container decked out in the cutest fall prints. We've got pumpkins, pies, sunflowers, the whole cozy season right on the lid. Perfect for leftovers after Thanksgiving, for packing up treats for neighbors, friends and family. I just really love how this looks like. They also have these beautiful mugs, these matching plastic cups with straws. Can you imagine hosting a fall movie night or game night sipping cider from these cups? lovely trays for you to serve snacks on as well in fall colors. And they also had this Tupperware. I think this will make very good back to school items for the kids. Honestly, for $2 each, it's not just cute, it's a fall hosting hack that makes you look way more put together than your wallet suggests. And there you have it, 15 must-have fall finds from Dollar Tree for 2025. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and which DIY you're most excited to see next. I'll be turning several of these into beautiful decor pieces you can make at home, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for shopping with me. See you in the next cozy DIY video right here on Noriji's Nook. Ciao!